All right, welcome to Yellowstone Park.
We're in Yellowstone National Park today. We're just going in through the entrance. So excited. First time ever here for me. Let's go.
Second time since I was a child. It's the first time.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Welcome to the mesmerizing world of Yellowstone National Park, where nature's wonders unfold in breathtaking ways. In today's adventure, we're taking you to two iconic destinations within the park, the pristine Yellowstone Lake and the historic Grand Yellowstone Hotel.
Our journey begins at the tranquil expanse of Yellowstone Lake, the largest high-elevation lake in North America. Spanning over 130 square miles, this pristine body of water is a true gem of the park.
Another interesting fact that we found out, this is the highest elevation lake in the United States.
I think we're at about 7,000 feet or so.
Yeah, not feeling it yet.
No, it's definitely not. Probably because there's so much oxygen here.
We'll go hiking around a little bit.
Yeah, we'll let you know.
Visitors can immerse themselves in various activities, from kayaking and paddleboarding on the serene waters to fishing for native cutthroat trout. The lake's tranquil beauty provides the perfect backdrop for picnics and leisurely strolls along the shore.
But Yellowstone Lake is more than just a scenic delight. The West Thumb Geyser Basin, located along its shores, offers a unique blend of aquatic and thermal features. Geysers and hot springs create a surreal experience where steam mingles with the cool lake air.
From the serene shores of Yellowstone Lake, we head towards the historic heart of the park, where the majestic Grand Yellowstone Hotel stands as a testament to timeless elegance.
Stepping into the Grand Yellowstone Hotel is like stepping back in time. This architectural marvel, often referred to as the Queen of the Park, has been welcoming guests since 1904. Its rustic charm, towering columns, and inviting fireplaces evoke a sense of grandeur.
The hotel's well-appointed rooms offer not only comfort but also spectacular views of the surrounding wilderness. Waking up to the sight of bison grazing in the meadows and the distant mountains is an unforgettable experience.
Guests can enjoy fine dining, relax in the cozy lounge, and even join guided tours to explore the rich history and natural wonders of the area.
Still at the Yellowstone Lake Hotel.
Yeah, the Yellowstone Lake Hotel. We came to the deli just to grab some lattes for breakfast, and they're pretty good size. But they also have, it's a little deli here, and so we grabbed some sandwiches for a picnic later when we're out hiking and watching Yellowstone. So that's perfect.
Yeah.
So it'll be a great way to set up the day, and I think there's some beautiful things we get to see today. So
Oh, for sure.
here we go.
As our day comes to an end, we reflect on the incredible beauty of Yellowstone Lake and the timeless elegance of the Grand Yellowstone Hotel. These two iconic destinations capture the essence of Yellowstone National Park, a place where nature and history intertwine to create a truly remarkable experience.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through Yellowstone's wonders. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the magic that the world has to offer.